My people, wonder shall never end. It don't happen again. It don't set. Everywhere don't scatter. No be small something, my people. Una know say e get matter when they trend. They say they don't arrest Jpac comedy. Say Ezeobi carry Jpac put her for kirikiri. No be small thing, my people. As I dey talk to Nana, Ijele Speaks don come out. He don't come give the woto. He just drag them. No be small drag. Now he dey drag the van. No be small something. He say all of them are the same. My people, as I cross this video of Ijele Speaks, I was shocked to lies. He say Akwa say they be fake. All those people say nothing when they different between Akwa and Ezeobi. My people, no be small something. Oh, things they happen. May not come be say, now me use my mouth to talk this thing. Make una hear ram for the horses smart where Ijele Speaks for blow hot at Akwa and the rest. He say yes. Say since when they attack Akwa, may you can't use that medicine, that organ when they do. May you can't use that attack her. Say you know they enter. Say the organ say na fake. Say you know they work. Make una just hear everything. Not be small wahala, my people.
You bingos, do you know how you sound? Do you know how you sound when you come here to type people? Look at how you sound. This is how you people sound when you come here to type issue. I be no one mouth for this case. DJ. Hey, I be no one put mouth for this case, but make people use this one now. They hear that way would they tell them. If anybody see himself for small position and for Southeast, position not be because person don't do anything, or you don't achieve anything. Now just if money dey, whether you are stealing from people in the name of a native doctor or pastor or whatever, you are the talk of the town. You can easily use money, buy police, influence, bless them. And all these things they are doing to themselves. And I keep telling you, it is only in the Southeast. Now, Jpac, someone calls him Jpac. Jpac now. Shebi him beloved diaper boy ESN go come save am for there. Or the Ezeobi himself now. Where they go come? They buy any bofu, nka. This and that. We are one. We are this. We are that. Nya. Now, pure bingo supporter. Now, Ezeobi wey no use in juju, where he say he get, go dey use police. Wetin that thing come? So you people where they go Ezeobi fake shrine, is it not obvious now that the guy has no power? He can't do anything. Jpac only put himself at the mercy of his enemies. That's why I keep telling you, whenever you want to say anything negative against someone, make sure it's true. Don't go and be making statements you can't substantiate. Then they will hold their hand on that thing. With it, if care is not taken, they will discredit everything you'll be saying. Okay? Of course, Ezeobi ne perimana. All these are nonsense. Say they get which kind of star one move which juju. Juju ki kwa ni iju. Ndi beribe. This thing now, shebi ona don dey see am. This one, maybe he don't, of course, they collect money from his victims now, in clients. Okuku that are trooping to his nonsense shrine. Then Jpac himself is a tag dog where some people go they use. You understand? So then just they bath naked for street. Our own not to observe. Imagine how many days we don't dey there. Share na somebody from Meduguri, Abi Gombe, Abi Katsina, na I put am there. Go check even from the police wey go dey handle the case and everything. Na from southeast. Na from the south. Na like una go dey expose una sef for this Naija. I'm happy for social media. Make everybody dey come out. No problem. Make all man like make una dey bring una character out. You will keep proving everything I've told you in the past to be true. I keep saying it. Ndoshi Anuajuru Nani. They are the reason. Of course, they will want to bring the police, they will control. Okay? Then they will be using them to put people in difficult situations. Jpac now, why you no go call him hyper BSM to come save am? Abi the Ezeobi, why you no use your spiritual power wey you claim say you get? I saw one video, one place where they staged with one boy, I think one Yoruba boy. They said, he came here to do that thing. Oh, say na the juju na him hold am. I know I just they will leave this I say see nature no ndị kpọrọ onwe ha smartest people 2.5 anari men no dịrị ndị nyara unu ka ebe ebu ibu nwaanyị na-agara onwe ya nyara unu ka ibu onye ara eke aka na-akwụgharị ụmụ iti. Now you don't dey there how many days? Imagine if na somebody from any place outside of the southeast put them there now. You go to hear people they make video. Hey, now because of this that. Oh, on a good day this one will happen. On a good day they oh what they are doing to us. But no law now they use police they intimidate on ourselves there. You blame police. When they see this kind of free money and now you on against on now, what do you think the policeman will do? Because he no get problem we want use money solve. He no get problem we want use money solve. Then the rest will just pretend as if nothing happened. Leave them. That case no concern me. Oh, leave them. This one. But if now an outsider, when they see on ourselves, when they see on our life. I said, make I come remind on, make I come the reminder on all this is. God they makam. You will have themselves. Love, come on, call you really share about choice. He said, when is the protest to release Jpac taking place? Just no, they're not going to do for where. Not them. Okay, Jpac is out. Oh, thankfully is out. Then I heard the Ewu of Oba, the animal here that calls himself Akwa Okuku. Mpama that calls himself Akwa Okuku. You know, he's trying to hide under the veil of what Ezeobi and this very and saying, there's a few that are attacking on social media. Akwa Okuku, you are a crook, you are a thief, you are a criminal, you and Ezeobi, you are not different from alicalistic, according to Ezeobi. You are not different from alicalistic. What is his name again? Ebuka Obi, or now carry Obi full on this thing. You are not different from all of one and thief. Akwa bingo. All of one and thief. No, they cry, no, they shout. Think say you go just use this thing. They confuse people. Okay, make we hear them. We go the shiva. Oh, they don't catch this one. Oh, may they no catch me. Oh, may they no this. Oh, you get one that they use police, they do that thing with. And on I know the people who they use police, they intimidate. And those kind of police where they use, on I know where now for they find them. Zuzulu, just carry that your mumu near me if I no deal with you. Carry that your mumu, that your nonsense you believe. They that they feel me, and I have an afro in Kanka. Cow of Woody new shin or E.T. Pama. So we go keep quiet because them arrest Jpac. If Jpac says anything false against someone, I support the person arresting him and doing anything he likes. Do to him how he sees fit. If I say anything false against someone, I expect the same thing to be done to me. It's that simple. Then anybody who is not sure of what he's talking should just shut up. Okay? If you are not sure of what you're saying, you just shut up. And those of honor, wait till honor go use this in the threat. The truth must go on. All right? The truth must rumble on. It must move on. If you like, also you are a thief, you are a pedima. Your juju na fake, you know the work. Akwa Okuku, only issue of Oba. If your juju the work, or you try with me now, not be me there yet. No be okay. I say you be thief, you no get power. You would know you and you are doing that because people around you they don't care or they are benefiting from that thing. All right? I'm a home in on a church, in on a dibia. And when someone says it, they will say, "Oh, you are doing this. He don't want him to do it. Oh, you are against his business. You are just like jealous of who? I know here that will soon disappear tomorrow. Eh? Banza that will soon disappear. I would have think saying the people were in swindle. Others know they go arrange for boys. They never arrange their own boys to come collect their own money. It just said they'll go collect their money back. I hear say one girl go use 5 million do okite for man they buy